Hi, I am Vinay Bhaskar from Brandpa Design. We are a brand strategy and design agency. We help businesses in food and beverage industry to come up with right strategies and packaging solutions to sell your products. If you are a business from food and beverage industry, then this video is for you. I wanted to share an interesting update that happened in the food and beverage industry segment, which most of the companies still are yet to adapt. Now, before going into the details about the significance of the problem and the beauty of the solution, let me share you an example to relate with the subject well. All of us drive on a daily basis. We come across multiple traffic signals and there is no problem for us in waiting and crossing the signals whenever there is a red signal or whatever it is. But have you ever thought about the challenge a person with color blindness undergoes when he is at the signal? If you remember, our old traffic signals were flat in color, that is, they have only light which showed either red, green or yellow, which is anyway a simple one color for the people with color blindness. To inform him that you can go ahead, they have come up with the new idea of using arrows. To go straight, upward arrow; to go right, right side arrow. But still the problem is unsolved at this level. How come a person with color blindness can understand whether it is a green right or a red right? The arrow with towards the right turn is having a right color or a red color. So you can't solve with colors. The simple solution is putting a cross mark onto the right turn arrow, which is easy for anyone to understand that there is no right turn here. This is actually available in a static mode at every place, but it is not adapted to the traffic signal. This is one point. Similar was the case with the food and beverage industry. People, when they are trying to buy your product on the shelf in supermarkets or any general stores, when they want to understand whether this product has food with vegetarian ingredients or the food has any ingredients that that contains egg or any non-veg items. Earlier, all of us very clearly remember we use three regular icons. One is green for vegetarian, brown for egg and red for non-vegetarian, right? Now, the latest design icons are actually solving addressing the problem of people with this color blindness to start with. Remember, this is not actually solving even the problem of the people with blindness, but only color blindness. So, three new icons. One is green, standard they are using the same circle to indicate that it is green. When it comes to egg, they are using a vertically placed egg with a small icon which can show that it is egg. We have a upward looking triangle to showcase that it is non-vegetarian, the food contains non-vegetarian. This is the update which most of the food and beverage industry hasn't adapted to. If you look at any packaging or any restaurant, still haven't updated their icon systems. So if you are into food and beverage industry, please adopt this immediately. Thank you. See you in the next video.